Hello everyone, today I have my August 2020 Slay Glam Box. So, came in this. On the other side it has my address, so I'm not going to show that. Open it up, and this time it did not come in the little box that it usually comes in. They said that they weren't going to since they were all palettes this time, so that's cool that they're all palettes. Let's open this up and see what we have, because I didn't really look at the spoilers. So here is from Beauty Treats, and it is a blush indigo palette. I don't think I'm going to keep this, so I don't think I'll be opening this because I don't do blush that much, and since it has the, I forgot what, safety seal wrap stuff, I don't want to take that off if I'm going to resell it. And then here's from Be a Bombshell Cosmetics, and it is an eyeshadow palette, and it is called Bold, I think. So that's what it looks like. And this is the back. So open this. If by the back is any indication, I'll probably keep this because I like greenish colors. If I can open this, that is. Okay, it's just gonna get ripped because I can't get it out. Okay, that, and same as on the outside. Had a little stuff on it, so hopefully it isn't broken. Let's see if I can open it. Not what I was expecting. They're all shimmers, and it comes with just the regular little eyeshadow applicators that are the old style ones, but they are still useful for applicating shimmers and stuff, so that's good. So I really like that green and the purple. I'll swatch them in a different video probably. So there's that. And here is another eyeshadow palette, and it's from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. It's cute, and it's right there. And these are all shimmers too. But that's what it looks like. Do these ones have names? I don't think so. Let me check again. Nope, these don't have names. These have names on the back. This one's Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and Copper Mine. Or at least maybe they're switched. I'm not sure. But if I go by what's here and across, like it's here and across, then that would be that way. Probably didn't make any sense just then, but. And here is another eyeshadow palette, and it's a liquid metal eyeshadow from Oakland. And they are all shimmers. These ones will look really pretty, and like they'll pop. Okay. And that's what it looks like. That. Yeah, these look really, really pretty. I really like these two colors right here. And last is from Mercari, and it is the Butterfly Effect eyeshadow palette. And that's really pretty packaging right there. I really like that packaging. So let's see what this looks like. These colors are actually pretty nice. See if I can get this off. And I think there is a pressed glitter in here. Oh, wait, no, it's not pressed glitter. That's cool. But anyways, these are the colors. That looks like a pressed glitter, but it's not. So, awesome. I love these purples in here, too. So, that is everything I got in my August 2020 Slay Glam Box. This is probably one of my favorite months that I've gotten because I only really used eyeshadow, and then I use mascara and sorry, hiccups. Mascara and lip products. Sometimes I do blush and a full face, but usually I don't put anything on my face because I can't be bothered. I'm lazy and it's just my face is oily, so it gets all gross feeling, especially in the summer when it's really hot. So I especially don't put makeup on during the summer really, unless I am just going to do it for a video. But anyways, enough with my rambling. That was all that was in it, and I hope y'all have a great day.